Been assured across the country that examinations have arrived in all our 479 containers. In some regions like the northern Kenya, our 3 counties are in the northern Kenya, also Isiolo and Marsabit, some places in Samburu and Turkana, that we had adequately mobilized the necessary machinery and transport where we needed to drop examination materials to our containers through choppers. That was done. And I can assure our children that examination materials are at the nearest point and in our containers, ready to be delivered to them tomorrow. We are also doing assessment, and we have done adequate assessment. These assessments continue and are continuous, and we get the reports continuously, because there could be 1 or 2 regions which may not be raining or may not have rained as at this morning, but we don't know what might happen overnight.